Picture this. You walk into a cozy Chinese restaurant in Beijing. You're starving. You want to order some delicious, warm dumplings. You confidently look at the waiter and say, 我要水饺.
Oh no, Leo.
The waiter blinks. He looks incredibly confused. And then he points you toward the sofa in the corner. Why? Because instead of saying 我要水饺, I want dumplings, you just told him, I want to go to sleep.
Exactly. That is one of the most common tone mistakes beginners make. 水饺 means dumplings, and 睡觉 means to sleep. They may sound almost identical to an English speaker, but to a Chinese ear, they are worlds apart.
If you've been studying Chinese for months, memorizing endless lists of characters and confusing grammar rules, but you still freeze up when a native speaker asks you a basic question, don't worry, you are not the problem. The problem is your method. You've been using your eyes too much and your ears too little.
Yes, to learn a language naturally, you must learn like a baby. You have to wake up your ears and listen first before you try to speak, read, or write.
Think of listening as putting money in the bank. Speaking is withdrawing money. If you don't deposit enough sounds into your brain first, how can you expect to withdraw fluent sentences? Today, we are going to make a big deposit. We're going to master your daily routine, 日常生活, build your 语感, and make sure you never accidentally say you want to sleep when you really want dumplings. Welcome back to Daily Simple Chinese, the podcast that helps you master Chinese through slow, natural stories. I'm Leo.
大家好，我是 Lynn. We are so happy to have you here. Today's episode is episode 1 of our beginner series, and we're talking about my daily routine, 我的日常生活.
Lynn, for our new friends listening, why is starting with daily routine so powerful?
Because, Leo, daily life gives you the core words you hear again and again in real conversations. Words like get up, 起床, eat breakfast, 吃早饭, and go to bed, 睡觉. When you hear these words over and over again, your brain starts to recognize them instantly, without needing to translate them into English first.
Exactly. Our rule for today is simple. Relax and listen. Don't worry about memorizing. Let the rhythm of the language wash over you. Tones are like music, and you're just here to catch the melody.
That's right. We will play a short dialogue twice. First, very slowly, so you can hear every single tone. Second, at a natural but comfortable speed. Let's listen.
In this dialogue, Li Ming and Xiao Yu are talking about their morning habits. Pay attention to how different their routines are.
你好，小雨。你今天看起来非常有精神。
你好，李明。我今天睡得很好，所以很有精神。你呢？
我也非常好。我昨晚10点就睡觉了。现在我每天都早睡早起。
哇，好习惯。你早上几点起床？
我早上6点起床。起床以后，我会喝一杯温水，然后做5分钟运动。
你真早。我每天7点半才起床，常常不吃早饭。
不吃早饭可不好。早饭应该有营养，可以吃一些鸡蛋和面包。
我知道，但我总是起晚了，没有时间吃。
那你中午一定很饿吧？
是的，我中午吃的很多。
你好，小雨。你今天看起来非常有精神。
你好，李明。我今天睡得很好，所以很有精神。你呢？
我也非常好。我昨晚10点就睡觉了。现在我每天都早睡早起。
哇，好习惯。你早上几点起床？
我早上6点起床。起床以后，我会喝一杯温水，然后做5分钟运动。
你真早。我每天7点半才起床，常常不吃早饭。
不吃早饭可不好。早饭应该有营养，可以吃一些鸡蛋和面包。
我知道，但我总是起晚了，没有时间吃。
那你中午一定很饿吧？
是的，我中午吃的很多。Wow, that second round felt so much smoother. I actually understood almost everything because my brain was already familiar with the sounds. That's Yugun in action.
Yes, Leo, that's exactly how it works. Now, let's do a quick tone clinic and break down the most important daily vocabulary from this dialogue so our listeners can master the details. Keyword 1, 起床, 起床, to get up. Let's look at 起床. T is third tone, low, dipping down, then up. 床 is second tone, rising, like asking a question. Together, 起床.
Ah, 起床. Lin, in the dialogue, Li Ming says, 我早上6点起床.
Yes! 早上6点, 早上6点 means 6 a.m. So the full sentence means, I get up at 6 a.m. Let's repeat that slowly. 我早上6点起床. Keyword 2, 睡觉, 睡觉. To go to bed, to sleep. Next is 睡觉. Both syllables are fourth tone, falling sharply, like a firm statement. 睡觉. Together, 睡觉.
睡觉. This is what I said earlier. And remember, dumplings is 睡觉with dipping tones. So, 睡觉means sleep, but 睡觉means dumplings.
Wonderful contrast, Leo. Li Ming says, 我昨晚10点就睡觉了. 昨晚 means last night, and 10点 means 10 o'clock. The word 就 here emphasizes as early as. So the sentence means, I went to bed as early as 10 o'clock last night. Keyword 3, 早睡早起, 早睡早起. Early to bed, early to rise. This is a beautiful four-word phrase. 早睡早起, 早睡早起.
Literally, early sleep, early get up.
Yes. 早 means early. So 早睡 means sleep early. And 早起 means get up early. It's a very healthy habit. Keyword 4, 习惯, habit. Xiao Yu says, 好习惯. Hao means good. 习惯 means habit. Second tone rising, fourth tone falling. 习惯. Together, good habit.
好习惯. I definitely need more of those.
Keyword 5, 营养, nutrition, nutritious. Li Ming says, 早饭应该有营养. 早饭应该有营养. 早饭 means breakfast. 应该 means should. 有 means to have, and 营养 means nutrition.
So it means breakfast should be nutritious.
Perfect. And what can we eat? 可以吃一些鸡蛋和面包. 可以吃一些鸡蛋和面包. 鸡蛋 means eggs, and 面包 means bread.
That sounds delicious. I love eggs and bread.
Keyword 6, 中午, noon, midday. Li Ming asks, 那你中午一定很饿吧? 那你中午一定很饿吧? 中午 means noon or midday. 一定 means must be or definitely. 饿 is fourth tone, sharp falling, and it means hungry. And 吧 is a friendly question particle.
Then you must be very hungry at noon, right?
Yes. And Xiao Yu answers, 是的，我中午吃的很多. 是的，我中午吃的很多. It means, yes, I eat a lot at noon.
Now it's your turn to deposit these sounds into your personal language bank. We're going to do shadowing practice. Lynn is going to say 5 key sentences from our dialogue slowly. After each sentence, there will be a 4-second pause.
During the pause, mimic my voice exactly. Don't think about grammar. Just copy my pitch, my speed, and my emotion. Let's go! 你好，你今天看起来非常有精神。现在我每天都早睡早起。我早上6点起床，做5分钟运动。早饭应该有营养，可以吃一些鸡蛋和面包。我总是起晚了，没有时间吃。
Fantastic job! If you found that challenging, remember, you can rewind this episode and listen 3, 5, or even 10 times until it feels completely effortless.
Yes, Leo. Consistency is key. In China, we have an old saying, 3天打鱼2天晒网。3天打鱼2天晒网。
Oh, what does that mean literally?
It means fishing for 3 days and drying the nets for 2 days. It's used to describe someone who starts something with excitement, but gives up easily and doesn't stay consistent.
Ah, so don't be a part-time fisher. Learn a little bit of Chinese every day, even if it's just 15 minutes of listening on your morning commute.
Exactly. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day can transform your Chinese in a few months.
That is all for episode 1 of Wake Up Your Ears. In our next episode, we are going to explore my weekend and hobbies, talk about what we love to do in our free time, and teach you how to handle changing weather.
Thanks for learning with us. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. 感谢大家的收听，感谢大家的收听。We will see you next time.
下期节目再见，拜拜。